Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of text manipulation by exploring how to warp text in Adobe Illustrator. First things first, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, or open an existing one where you want to work with text. This is just me adjusting my workspace. So I'm going to click on text. Yes, so I'm going to click on text. You can select any font of your choice. I'm just going to type love and increase it and change my font. I'm using Poppins. Maybe I should use, okay, here's this Poppins. I'm going to make it bold and increase my font. Still going to increase my font because I need it bigger. Let's do 100. Oh, this is okay. Okay. With the text selected, go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Make with Warp. This opens up the warp options dialog box where you can choose from various warp styles like arc, flag, bulge, etc. Experiment with different styles to see how they transform your text. Within the warp options dialog, you can further customize your warp effect by adjusting the bend, horizontal distortion, and vertical distortion sliders. These controls give you precise control over how much your text gets warped. If you want to edit the warped effect after applying it, simply select the text and go to Object, Envelope, Distort, Edit Content. This allows you to go back and modify the text or warp settings as needed. So I imported a love shape here, and now I'm going to bring it to the front. Yes, I'm going to bring it to front. That's how wrapping works, and reduce the opacity so I can still see the love at the back, the love text at the back. So I'm going to align this, make sure it is in the middle of the love. Yeah, the heart shape is in the middle. So now I'm going to go to Envelope, Distort, Make with Top Object. That's why we brought it to the front. So now you can see that the love has been distorted, and now I can to make it adjustable, I can now expand and fill. It will make each letter a vector instead of a text. So now I can now make any adjustments that I want by dragging each point. Yeah, that's just basically it. So that's how you wrap a text with a shape. That wraps up our tutorial on warping text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you found this guide helpful in exploring the creative possibilities of text manipulation. Stay tuned for more Illustrator tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.